Secure the perimeter! Cover the exits! Stay alert, men!
Save your voice, Gideon. Here, there are only dead Spartans. I feel a bit like Xerxes. What an unforgivable waste of men and resources. So many good soldiers lost. And for what? Molestation? The council? Well. All are cleansed by the fires of revolution. What a pleasant surprise, Colonel Miller. Oh, what remains of you?
Artyom, it is time.
May this be the resourceful young man. Tell me, Artyom, savior of the Metro, where are you going?
Artyom, no need for that now.
Ullman died, like most of the Spartans. Miller survived and is now in charge of police guards, even though he's confined to a wheelchair. And Khan just disappeared. He once told me, what if this little dark one is the last of the angels sent to save us? The fact that the little one came back and brought his kin, maybe that was the pardon and salvation. For me, for the Order, for all of us in the Metro. The last light of hope in this kingdom of darkness.
It will be better for everyone if we go away, Artyom. But one day we'll come back. There'll be big things. Goodbye, my friend.
The dark ones are gone. But I know we will meet again. Maybe they really were sent to save us. Maybe we did earn forgiveness.
Secure the perimeter! Cover the exits! Stay alert, men!
Save your voice, Gideon. Here, there are only dead Spartans. I feel a bit like Xerxes. What an unforgivable waste of men and resources. So many good soldiers lost. And for what? Molestation? The council? Well. All are cleansed by the fires of revolution. What a pleasant surprise, Colonel Miller. Oh, what remains of you?
Artyom, it is time.
And who might this be? The resourceful young man. Tell me, Artyom, savior of the Metro, where are you going? Stop him!
Don't be afraid. There is nothing to be afraid of now. That's how your papa defeated our enemies and saved the metro.
Was my papa brave?
The bravest of us all, because he was never afraid to embrace the things he didn't understand.
And where did the dark ones go, Mama?
Away to a safe place. But they promised to come back.